Life and math may seem different at first glance, but they share one essential truth. Finding the right solutions begins with understanding the variables and factors at play. Take a look at this equation. It might seem complex at first glance, but let's break it down step by step. On the left side, we have our variables and factors, 3x plus 2. This part of the equation is crucial because it contains the elements we need to solve the problem. These are the pieces of the puzzle we need to analyze. Just like fitting together pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, understanding each component is essential to see the bigger picture. In math, the left side of an equation represents the problem. It is the starting point of our journey to find the solution. It holds all the factors that we need to understand before we can find the solution. Each term, each number, and each variable plays a significant role in the equation. These factors could be numbers, coefficients, or unknown variables. By identifying and understanding these elements, we can start to unravel the equation and work towards finding the answer. Now, let's step away from math for a moment. While equations and formulas are essential, they are not confined to the pages of textbooks or the walls of classrooms. They extend into our daily lives in ways we might not always recognize. Imagine you're trying to plan a big event. It could be a wedding, a corporate meeting, or even a community fundraiser. The process involves numerous steps and considerations. The variables on your left side are your time, resources, and costs. Time includes the days and hours you have to prepare. Resources encompass the people, materials, and venues available to you. Costs cover the financial aspect, from the budget you have to the expenses you anticipate. Each factor plays a role in reaching your desired outcome. Time management, resource allocation, and budget planning are all crucial elements that need to be balanced. Just like in our equation, real-life problems require us to analyze what we have and what we need. We must assess our current situation and identify the gaps that need to be filled. We identify these factors and patterns to get a clear view of the solution we're aiming for. By understanding the interplay between these variables, we can make informed decisions and effectively plan for success. Returning to our math problem, after we analyze and solve for x, we find that x equals 3. The right side of the equation shows us the solution. It's the outcome that we work toward by understanding all the components on the left. In real life, when you identify all the factors and work through them logically, you also find your solution: a successful project, a well-managed budget, or even a balanced life. So, whether you're solving 3x plus 2 equals 11, breaking down complex algebraic expressions, or tackling intricate calculus problems, or organizing an event, remember, understanding the variables and factors on the left side of the equation, just like understanding the key elements and logistics of an event, is the key to finding the right solution on the right side. Math teaches us more than just numbers and equations. It instills critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and logical reasoning. It teaches us how to approach life. Just as in math, life requires us to analyze, plan, and execute with precision. Embrace the lessons math offers, and apply them to navigate the complexities of life with confidence and clarity. Next time you see an equation or face a challenge, think about the variables and factors you need to work through, because once you do, the right solution is just waiting on the other side.